24 April 2025, 6 months ago, I bought this book. The the title is Grammar, Tenses, Vocabulary, Conversation. To improve your English skills, grammar, tenses, vocabulary, conversation. To learn English autodidactly. Chapter 1, there is present preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun, pronoun, or noun of phrase to show direction, location, time, or special relationship in a sentence. Prepositions are divided into three types. There is preposition of direction, preposition of place, and time. Preposition of direction is a preposition that used to direct away, like near, inside, beside, under, behind, in between, in front, above, out of, around, in, into, on, and onto. I will give you example of this type. Example of near. The store is near the park. Example of inside. The cat inside the box. Then example of beside. The flower shop is located beside the bakery. Example of under. The cat is under the bed. Example of behind. The car behind us is honking. Then example of in between. Example of in between. The windows. Shelf is in between the windows. Example of in front. The restaurant is located in front of the blackboard. Then example of above. The bird is above the trees. It means above is used if the object not stick on the subject. I mean, the subject not stick on the object. Example of below. The shelves are below the clock. Example of out of. She came out of the house. Example of around. The kids are running around the playground. Especially for in, into, on, and onto, I will give you how to use this. In to show a static position inside. Example of in. The keys are in bag. It means the keys are no movement. Into to shows movement from outside to inside. Example of into. She put the keys into the bag. It means there is motion. The object take the keys, go out from outside to inside. Onto shows a static position on top of something. Example of on. The book is on the table. It means the book is no movement because the book is already there. And onto to shows movement to a surface. Example of onto. He jumped onto the table. It means the object moved to the table by jump it. Preposition of time is to use to show times. This preposition divide into three types. There is at, in, and on. I will give you example of this. At used to show times or atmosphere. Example of at. I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. In used to show time of month, years, century, period, era, or age. Example of in. I was born June. I was born June. On used to show day and date. Example of on. We have a concert on Saturday night. Preposition of place is to use to show place. This preposition divided into three types, same like preposition of time but different to use. At to shows object location in generally way. Example of at. He is at the school. It means we know the object at the school, but we don't know where the specific point of object. In to show a object in specific way. Example of in. He is in the classroom. It means we know the object is at the school, but we know where the object stay. On to show a subject, show a object on the surface. Example of on the cat is on the table. Similar with preposition of direction before.